Hello guys, Mr. Crib up here, and 4 packages and a couple games I bought today from my local video game store for my new Game Boy Advance SP. So I got 4 Advance games, and I got 1 game yesterday. So I got Mario Kart Super Circuit. I got E.T. because my mom wanted to see if it was like the original. Told her it wouldn't. Mario Tennis Power Tour, and F-Zero Maximum Velocity, and Game Boy Color game Magical Tetris. I need a Tetris game for a vacation. And then I got, I'll show you guys. Yeah. Got myself a new knife right here. As you guys can see, it's a little rusty, but right there, it's nice. Look at this one. I got this one today. These are my amiibos. My first 2 amiibos. I have another one coming. Ooh, Zelda. Got Zelda here. Ooh, these are really nice. It's a really nice quality. Ooh, Link. I got this is like bundle for $15. Link. Really nice. Oh, this was kind of bent, but really nice amiibo. Really nice. You guys really can't see. Let's open the next one. Let's open this one. I know what these ones are too. That out. This is a game. This is a really big game. I have 264 games, and then something else which I think I know. Oh yeah, this is what I think it is. I'm so excited for this. So I got Dr. Mario 64 right there. Pretty fun game. Hopefully I have the original. I played the original, so let's open the other game real quick. Here we go. Okay, this game I heard was a pretty fun game, racing game. Beetle Adventure Racing, I got for $7. I think it came with the manual too. Okay, then we got the last big one. Here we go. So we got some N64 controllers. It's gonna be nice. I guess my grandpa, he likes Diddy Kong Racing a lot. For my N64, it's not. Let's put that. Here's 1 controller. These are 2 same color. I think I like this color a lot. So I bought 2 of them are like $12. 17. They're not Nintendo brand, but they're Nintendo. Ooh, it's really nice joystick. Very stiff joystick. So we have the 2 of these. Very nice. Nice quality. So we got another one. Same one. Let's open it up. Might as well. Okay, so yeah, right there. Woo. So let's recap. 2 controllers. Put my knife away real quick. I don't want to cut myself open. Got all those games: Tetris, Mario Kart, F-Zero, which I've already played a little bit of, Mario Tennis, E.T., which is really I tried it out. Nothing like Zelda and Link. Beetle Adventure Racing, and then Dr. Mario 64. So thank you guys for watching. See you guys later, and bye.